This Arduino system uses an RTC module to schedule reminders, displaying tasks on an LCD with buzzer and LED alerts for medicine, bathing, and meals. It continuously updates and triggers notifications at preset times. At 18:59 on March 4, 2025, the system is operational, displaying the current time on the LCD. It actively monitors the RTC for any scheduled events. Since no specific task is assigned at this moment, the LCD simply shows the updated real-time clock every second. At 19 o'clock, the first scheduled reminder is activated. The LCD shows take medicine, while the buzzer briefly sounds to alert the user. This reminder helps ensure that medication is taken on time, which is especially beneficial for individuals who need assistance managing their prescriptions. Additionally, the LED may light up as a visual cue, reinforcing the importance of this task. At 19:01, 1 minute after the medication alert, the system updates the LCD to show time to bathe. This notification prompts the user to begin their bathing routine. If the system includes automation, the servo motor may activate, possibly opening a door or adjusting a water control system. The buzzer sounds again to ensure the message is acknowledged. At 19:02, the system displays dinner time, activates the buzzer, and may turn on the LED to reinforce the reminder, ensuring a consistent routine.